immunosuppressive tumor microenvironment definitely is one of the challenges right now. And we engineered a CAR T cell called immune restoring CAR T cell therapy, which can secrete checkpoint blocking inhibitors at the tumor site to restore active anti-tumor immunity. So in the recent study, we assembled anti-PD-L1 monoclonal antibody to the anti-CAIX CAR T cells, and we tested this CAR T cell therapy in vitro and in vivo. For the in vivo study, we established CCRCC humanized mouse model, which can model the CCRCC patient TME, and we use this model to assess our CAR T cells. The CAR T cells with anti-PD-L1 monoclonal antibody showed superior efficacy and successfully decreased the tumor microenvironment exhaustion. So that I think this is a really promising therapy for this field.